What if you could get a GPS drone with dual cameras, 4K video recording, brushless motors, optical flow positioning, and up to 20 minutes of flight time without spending a fortune? Today, we're reviewing the ZD018 Drone, a lightweight foldable drone that's packed with features usually found in more expensive models. But is this budget-friendly drone actually worth buying, or should you save your money for something else? Let's take it to the skies and find out.
Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love drones, gadgets, smart technology, electric vehicles, and innovative products, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ZD018 Drone with dual cameras and 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Let's see what it can do. At first glance, the ZD018 looks surprisingly modern. The drone features a compact, foldable design that makes it easy to carry in a backpack or travel bag. One of its biggest advantages is its lightweight construction. At around 170 grams, it's significantly lighter than many drones on the market. In several countries, drones under 250 grams avoid certain registration requirements, making them attractive to beginners and casual users. The drone feels portable, travel-friendly, and designed for users who want aerial photography without carrying bulky equipment. Now let's talk about one of the main selling points, the dual camera setup. The front camera is advertised as a 4K HD Wi-Fi camera with a wide-angle lens. This helps capture larger landscapes, city views, beaches, mountains, and outdoor scenery. The camera can adjust vertically, giving pilots more flexibility when framing shots. The drone also includes a secondary camera positioned underneath, which assists with optical flow positioning while offering additional viewing angles. For a drone in this category, having dual camera functionality is definitely a welcome feature. Anyone who has flown a budget drone knows shaky footage can ruin an otherwise great flight. Fortunately, the ZD018 includes EIS, Electronic Image Stabilization. Combined with the camera stabilization design, this helps reduce vibrations during flight. While it may not compete with expensive mechanical gimbals found on premium drones, the footage is generally smoother than many entry-level drones in the same price range. For social media content, travel clips, and casual aerial videos, the stabilization system helps create more enjoyable footage. Let's move on to flight performance. The ZD018 uses brushless motors, which are a major advantage over traditional brushed motors. Brushless motors offer more power, better efficiency, longer lifespan, lower maintenance, and smoother flight performance. This results in more reliable flying characteristics and improved responsiveness. For beginners and intermediate users, brushless motors are always a feature worth having. One of the most useful features is its positioning system. The drone combines GPS technology with optical flow positioning. Optical flow sensors help the drone maintain stable hovering, especially when flying at lower altitudes. This makes aerial photography much easier because the drone can stay in position with less manual correction. Altitude hold mode adds another layer of stability. Instead of constantly adjusting the throttle, the drone automatically maintains its height. For beginners, this feature makes learning to fly much less stressful. The ZD018 also includes several smart flight features. One of the most interesting is Waypoint Flight. Using the companion app, you can draw a flight path directly on your smartphone screen. The drone will then automatically follow that route. This can create smoother, cinematic shots while allowing you to focus on camera angles instead of manually steering. Other intelligent features include headless mode, one-key controls, gesture photography, automatic hovering, app-based flight control. These features make the drone more beginner-friendly while adding creative possibilities. Thanks to 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, users can view live video directly from the drone on their smartphone. This first-person view experience allows you to see what the drone sees in real time,
It's especially useful when capturing landscapes, tracking moving subjects, or framing aerial photos. For beginners, FPV flying adds an exciting level of immersion.
Battery life is often one of the biggest concerns with affordable drones. The ZD018 comes equipped with a 3.7-volt 2500 milliamp lithium battery. Under normal flying conditions, the manufacturer claims approximately 20 minutes of flight time. That's actually respectable for a compact drone in this category. The included battery indicator helps pilots monitor remaining power and avoid unexpected landings. As always, actual flight time will vary depending on wind conditions, flight style, and camera usage. The drone utilizes a 6-axis gyroscope and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. These systems work together to improve stability and control. The result is smoother flight performance and better handling, particularly for beginner pilots. Even in light outdoor conditions, the drone remains relatively stable and predictable. The ZD018 is ideal for first-time drone pilots, travelers, outdoor adventurers, content creators, YouTube beginners, social media creators, family vacations, and anyone looking for an affordable aerial camera platform. Its lightweight design and beginner-friendly controls make it less intimidating than many larger drones.
Let's summarize the strengths. Pros: lightweight, under 250 grams. Foldable, travel-friendly design. Dual camera system. Wide-angle 4K camera. EIS electronic stabilization. GPS positioning. Optical flow hovering. Brushless motors.
5G Wi-Fi FPV, Waypoint flight planning, gesture photography, up to 20 minutes flight time, beginner-friendly controls.
A few limitations to keep in mind. Cons: no mechanical gimbal. Actual camera quality may vary from advertised specifications. Wind performance may be limited due to lightweight design. Flight time depends on conditions and usage. Budget drone image processing may not match premium brands.
Overall, the ZD018 drone delivers an impressive feature list for its price category. With dual cameras, GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, brushless motors, Waypoint flight, FPV transmission, and a lightweight travel-friendly design, it offers plenty of value for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. While it won't replace high-end professional drones, it provides a fun and accessible way to explore aerial photography and videography without spending a premium price. So, what do you think? Would you use the ZD018 for travel videos, social media content, or simply flying for fun? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.